Hello, it has been a while, and what I'm about to share with you is going to be a life-changing thing for me, but also potentially a very big change for this channel. Let's go. Hello, welcome back to the Crafty Organizer. I'm Noreen Eppley, and on this channel, I love bringing you ideas for organizing, decluttering, doing DIYs, upcycles, and anything crafty on a budget. The last time we spoke, I was going to work with a client. I got to help them do some handiwork, do some organizing in a china room. It was a lot of fun, and I actually had a video planned for when I came back. When I came back, it was Mother's Day, and we were on the fast track for getting my youngest to prom, to graduation, for doing some senior events, getting my other daughter ready for ending her year at college and going to a summer program. But right before Memorial Day, something happened that I never honestly thought was going to happen to me. And that is, we're buying a house in a completely different state. This is a dream of mine that I honestly never thought I was going to get to have. When my husband and I first started dating, he had plans on moving out of state. He wasn't quite sure. We've gone on a couple of trips looking, and we've fallen in love with a couple of different states. And it's amazing. I live in Southern California. What you can get in other states. I mean, if you're a Southern Californian, you know what I'm talking about. You can buy a shack in a pretty scary neighborhood, and it's $800,000 or $900,000. We were looking at homes in other states that were $200,000-$300,000 with land and triple the size of the home. I have an 800 square foot home that I came out of. So to me, where we're about to go is just a dream. I can't wait to share it with you. But also, I wanted to talk to you guys about the organizing part of my business sadly ended with COVID. And while it is absolutely the core of my being, because organizing and decluttering is something that got me through a lot of hard times in my life, both emotionally and with chronic pain. So it's near and dear to my heart, because I know how it can improve your life. It's always going to be a part of my channel, but I'm going to be going into some major DIY things and creating organizing systems by putting in shelves and structures. And I plan on doing a lot of ideas for the yard. As a matter of fact, something I've been working on is DIYing a whole landscape makeover in the backyard that we're in now, because I knew eventually we're going to be selling this house. But I never expected it to be this soon. In spring, we went to Tennessee, and we drove up through Kentucky, and we ended up in Indiana. And there were several places that we found that we really thought could be a future home. Future! We really thought it was going to be a year or two. But we were looking at different areas, and there was one area in Kentucky that this was it. This is what we wanted. But it was outside of the budget we had set. And so we kind of gave up on that area and started looking more towards Indiana, because that gave us more of what we wanted at a lower price point. Well, right before Memorial Day, I was going through Zillow, and this house popped up. It had only been up for a couple of hours, and it was double the land that we ever thought we could get, and the home was the same size as what he currently owns right now, plus what I had in my old home combined. It's almost 2,000 square feet, and it was way below the other houses in the area. So we put a bid on it, and we didn't think we were going to get it, but long story short, obviously, since I'm moving, we got it, and I'm so excited, and I cannot wait to show you guys everything. It's pretty turnkey ready, but you know, I'm going to be doing all kinds of things with it. So here's a couple of pictures of the inside of the property, and oh my gosh, I am so in awe that I'm going to be getting a real home, not something that I'm paying rent to. If you're a homeowner, you know what I'm talking about. And if you've been a long-time renter, you know what those perils are too. I just never thought that I would get to live in a home where I can do whatever I want to it. And I just have so many ideas to share with you guys. So what I want to know is, Do you want me to just keep everything on one channel? If you're interested, you'll watch. If you're not interested, you won't watch. Or do you want me to try and keep things separate? I can just keep the Crafty Organizer and do mostly organizing and decluttering and storage ideas on this channel, and then create a second channel where I'm doing all of the DIYs and upcycles and flipping things. Let me know in the comments, because I definitely don't want to keep bringing you content that you're not interested in. And I would hate to lose some of you because I'm bringing you too much of one thing and not enough of the other. So let me know. But we leave, what's today? Today is Monday, and we're leaving Wednesday to drive up for the closing, and we're going to start doing some projects right away. And I'm going to be bringing the camera with me because I want you guys to see. But the other big project I've been working on, as I said, is DIYing the backyard. And I just kept dragging the camera out with me. This means leveling out ground. We did rototilling in the dirt. I built retaining walls for a garden. I put in pathways that I, my own self, built out of cement, making these giant cobblestone pathways. And we're going to be filling it in with sand. I laid sod. I've been planting flowers. And I'm so excited for you to see that. But when I started taking all the footage off of my camera, you guys, it's 30 plus hours that I need to edit down into hopefully a 20 or 30 minute video, and it's been daunting to me. So I'm sorry I've been MIA. There's just been so much going on. I'm not gonna lie, I've gotten to see other YouTubers before who have gotten to go into homes, and I just thought that's never gonna happen to me. And on my own salary through YouTube and projects that I do with clients, I would never have been able to pull this off. So I am forever grateful for my husband to have been planning this all along, and for him being willing to and take me along on this journey with him. So I get to kind of his cape and enjoy the fruits of his labor. But I'm so excited, and I just hope you guys will come along with me. So leave me comments, let me know what you want to see. If you want a separate channel, I could do the Crafty, I don't know, homesteader, the Crafty home maker. I don't know. I don't even know what that other channel name would be yet. So if you want me to break into the second channel so that you're not being inundated with those projects, again, let me know. And in the meantime, thank you so much for continuing to be with me. If you're coming to this channel for the first time, I apologize. This probably doesn't make any sense to you. But if you've been with me for a while, I appreciate you so much. And I can't thank my patrons enough for supporting me through all of this. And I can't wait to bring you all the footage of the new home. So I will see you guys very soon, but for a little while, videos are going to be spotty because we're going to be bouncing back and forth between here and Kentucky. And if you live in Kentucky, you're going to be my new neighbor. Tell me what to look for. Tell me the exciting things. We're going to be in the northern part of Kentucky, right on the Indiana state line. So if you're in the area, let's get together. I'd love to meet you. But anyway, I'll see you guys as soon as I can post another video. I love you and appreciate you so much. Bye.